Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship was immediately challenged by organizations across the country. A major lawsuit filed by CASA Inc. and the Asylum Seeker Advocacy Project has now reached the Supreme Court. On March 13, the administration filed for a stay on the injunction on his executive order. In simpler terms, after the district court's order that there is no ending of birthright citizenship, Trump's team requested that this order be paused while the litigation continues. On Thursday, May 15th, oral arguments for both sides will be presented in front of the Supreme Court. This particular application for a stay is important because it could have major impacts on the multitude of other lawsuits that have followed Trump's executive orders. The lawsuit itself focuses on the constitutionality of ending birthright citizenship, but the stay application made no comment on that discussion. It instead had a modest request to restrict the scope of multiple preliminary injunctions that purport to cover every person in the country. The stay application claims that the injunctions ordered in cases against Trump provide too much relief to non-parties. In other words, by blocking the executive order to end birthright citizenship, the injunction helped more people than just those who were suing. They claim that this is an egregious overreach of judicial power and unfairly hinders actions of the executive branch. The other parties filed in opposition to the stay not long after, calling the request anything but modest. Within, they mention the widespread confusion on citizenship the stay could cause, the potential for a child's citizenship to be determined by the state they live in or the organizations that their parents joined during a lawsuit would cause nationwide chaos on a principle that has been universally recognized for over 125 years. Because the executive order affects everyone in the nation, the opposition writes, the injunctive relief must do so accordingly. Depending on the outcome of the Supreme Court decision, many executive orders currently on hold could go into effect, mostly in regards to immigration. Stay tuned to SCOTUS blog on Thursday at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time to see the opinions and arguments, and follow for more as I hope to provide an update on this particular case as it moves through the Supreme Court.